For a normal conception, we all know that we need a normal semen count of 15 to 20 million. But is pregnancy possible with a sperm count of less than 2 million? Yes, it is possible with a wonderful technique of ICSI, intracytoplasmic sperm injection. We can select morphologically normal sperms and inject into the eggs of the female partner with a very good success rate.
Yakini ki khat sau ngut Nongialehkai ki basong basa ha ka South Shillong constituency. La Pynkup Burom du MLA ka South Shillong uba san bor Shulai, ha ka balaidun rekat UMDC ka Laban uba Riki Shulai, kirang ba Shnong na Kishnong ba per kumju. Kini ki Nongialehkai ki blasha Pynkup Burom kini ki beliau khori kita kema ha ki jingwa Nongialehkai ha ka North East Zone Championship ka belalong Arunachal Pradesh, bad ha ka Meghalaya Games Hajar Pusan. Bala Pynkup Burom kini ki Nongialehkai de ka ba ki khusnam bad ka song pisa ka basan Hajar Tengkar. Nalor kani ubasan Borsulai ula Pynkup Burom ru ikinongelam jaka Meghalaya Sports Climbing and Mountaineering Association. Kibalwan ra enam bat Burom ke jela hai ke jinga kok boper. Ubasan Borsulai ula ong bagajing temu jaka ni kejing Pynkup Burom ikinongelahkai kelongkum kadak bat ai mensia meki. Kamtam habai kili okor kita kema boper. Bagani kejing ai jingerap kadai ke ulamang lang ba ke discretionary grant. Bana ketulap jong u kumu MLA. Nalor kejing Pynkup Burom ikinongelahkai keladon ru kejing pesautu ikipat nong shok shnong shfangga skim jong kesokar pedeng ke belatip kum ka Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. Ha ka bagi officer ke muda kelawan man ajing pensyai halor kini ke skim.